What is up, YouTube? So I'm finally getting rid of these crusty, dusty, I can only see 10 feet in front of me at night headlights. And I got myself some DNA motoring. Those look sweet. So yeah, I'm gonna, I guess, give you a tutorial on how I took my headlights off my car. So to begin with, this side was barely holding on. I mean, there's a zip tie here. I cut that and the bumper instantly dropped. What you want to do is get these little push pins out. Don't worry about these. These pins separate your grill from the bumper. And then the only thing I got left to do is detach the bumper from these clips here and somehow take this little Phillips head thing right there off. Got to take this clip off, and I can take these clips off. I already took the bottom. So what your Subaru should have is this little mounting skid plate thingy, and there's only a clip here and a clip, I think, right here. I don't remember, which is kind of weird. And then other than that, your Subaru bumper should freely move. Oh yeah, up here and here. And your Subaru bumper should freely move. Mine on that side doesn't have one, as you can see. Oh, I zoomed in too far. Yeah, I don't have one over there, so my bumper was just flimsy going down the road. If you have a valance or something, you have the option to put like a valance on it, I guess, because there's like little mounting holes. And yeah, and unplug it. Yeah. If your car has fog lights, what I'm gonna do is, well, since my passenger side bumper is pretty much mangled, I'm able to access my passenger side fog light from just down here. But the driver's side, you just gotta fold this thing out of your way, and then you should have access right up there. There it is, the pigtail. But what I'm working on right now is getting this little Phillips thing off. So yeah. Damn, guys, my car is totaled. Nah, I'm just playing. Got the bumper off. Got these little clips in the side. And what I made a mistake is I broke my right side bumper, so I'm gonna have to use zip ties. I mean, this bumper's junk anyway, like literally. Like, oh, it's hidden, but it's just cracked everywhere. I plan on getting a new bumper cover if I want to get a new one. But yeah, time to get the headlights out. Alrighty, guys. Now it's time to remove the headlight. I'm gonna use a Ryobi drill with the Phillips head, because what we're dealing with is a Phillip here, Phillip or 10 mil, Phillip or 10 mil here, and a Phillip or 10 mil right here. And I'm probably gonna use a 10 mil because I bet these Phillip bits are gonna round out. I bet these Phillip things on the bit is gonna round out. Oh, and one right here. Damn. And then this thing should be out. Alrighty, guys. Got the headlight out. Just got to unplug the harness. But I didn't realize this, but there's actually a screw here and one here. I don't know if I showed you that one. But yeah, it's just gonna be like 1,000,000 gazillion screws holding this in. Actually, matter of fact, I broke this one, so I was thinking about taking the lens off and kind of customizing the headlights. Well, I guess that plan is now scratched. Don't use this at first. I would just like use it like a regular ratchet, or else you are gonna freaking do what I did and just completely destroy the headlight. So yeah. Well, this is a new headlight housing, or at least the back of it. And since these Subarus, it's kind of like a harness and you keep the bulbs in, I'm going to have to take out all my bulbs from here and put them into here. So I will get back when I am plugging it in and mounting it on. Hell yeah, as you can see, the new headlight harness is good. Old, new, crazy, 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 crazy. Well guys, that is the conclusion of the headlight housing swap. It was pretty straightforward. With my car being a little rough, I snapped a few bolts, had to cut one down here in half and put a new one there. But I mean, yeah, pretty straightforward. Everything goes back the same way you put it. Everything goes back the same way you took it off. I really like this smoked chrome housing because it blends in with the grill, and the chrome just kind of like is a great accent with the white and silver. But yeah, I'm gonna be I already ordered a set of high and low beams, so there's gonna be a video on those two here soon. By the time you guys are watching this, I just dropped the rear brake video on this car, and yeah, it should probably be dropped before I put this video, like normal YouTube stuff. But yeah, I freaking love the way it looks. Makes it look less like a clapped car. Now I just gotta work on that bumper, fender, and the hood. But yet again, I don't know if I want to do this because I wanna buy another newer car. So yeah, have fun. What is up, guys? I'm gonna be teaching you how to change out an air filter on a 2010 Subaru Impreza. You got two clips here. Unclip those, and then for easier access, you get a flathead or a 10 mil. Loosen up that hose clamp, and then you get the intake out of the way, and then boom. So after 2 or 3 years of owning the car, I finally went around to changing the air filter, and yeah, pretty much put that in there. Then you close this on it.